Hey Omar, I heard you went hiking last weekend. How was it?
It was amazing. The weather was perfect, and the view from the top was incredible.
That sounds great. I've always wanted to try hiking, but I never had the courage.
You should try it. Hiking is one of the best hobbies for staying active and exploring nature.
I like the idea of being outdoors and far away from noise and city life.
Exactly. When I hike, I feel relaxed and free, and I forget all my stress.
Do you hike alone or with friends?
Usually with friends. It's safer and more fun when we go together.
That makes sense. I think hiking could help me stay fit and improve my stamina.
Absolutely. It strengthens your legs, improves breathing, and boosts your mood.
What about equipment? Do I need to buy anything expensive?
Not really. Comfortable shoes, water, and a small backpack are enough for beginners.
That's good to know. Maybe I'll start with an easy trail nearby.
Great idea, and if you want, I can join you and guide you.
I'd love that. It will be more exciting and less scary with someone experienced.
Trust me, once you start hiking, you'll fall in love with it.
I think so too. I want to live a healthier life and discover new places.
Then let's plan a hike this weekend. It's time to make hiking part of our lifestyle.